Hi there, it's episode 1 of Crafting for Profit, and thank you for joining me. There are lots of videos coming up about marketing, choosing the right craft fairs for you. This is episode 1, which is choosing the right craft for you. So you need to be able to make something that you really enjoy making. So maybe you make a lot of different things, but you want to really narrow down what you make so that you can target your audience really well. It's better to perfect one thing than have lots of different things that are not really that good on your stall. So make sure that you make one type of thing and that you're really good at making it. You have to make sure that you really love your chosen craft, because you're going to be making lots and lots of the same things. So when I was doing crafting, I was making night lights, and I made about 500 at least of one particular light. And if I didn't enjoy it, that would have been hell. So you have to make sure that you really enjoy the craft that you have chosen, because you are going to be making lots of it. Make sure that the materials you're using are easy to find and easy to buy and in abundance. When I was doing my craft, the materials to make that night light that I made 500 of were really hard to get. I was using vintage fabric, vintage ribbon, and components that I could only buy from China. I couldn't get them anywhere in the UK, even though I really tried. And the actual materials were very hard to get, and there was points when I couldn't make the thing that everyone wanted because I couldn't get the materials. Make sure that you can actually go out to a shop near you, or you can buy it online and it arrives quickly. Make sure there's a space in your room for doing the craft. There are lots of crafts that you can do, like in front of the TV, like knitting, painting. But if you're doing something like woodwork, or you're thinking of doing something like woodwork, resin work, metal work, or anything like that, you're going to need dedicated workshop space. Crafts that are easy to do have lots of people doing them, so you're going to have more competition. Try and perfect something that is really difficult to do if you can. If you have no idea what you want to do, there are lots of small craft kits available in places like The Works and Aldi. They sometimes have them. You could buy lots and lots of these small craft kits for about £3 or £5 each. Try them all and see if there's anything that you really like that you think you could take forwards. Let me know in the comments how you found your craft. Was it something that your nan taught you to do? Was it something that you saw someone else doing and you thought, oh, I could do that? So this one's been quite a short video, because the rest of them coming up are going to be quite more complex, about marketing, advertising, finding the right fairs for you. So this one's been short, but the rest of them are going to be a bit longer.